All right, welcome. In this video, I'm going to detail and highlight how exactly to navigate Seller Central. Seller Central is an ugly mess of a beast, I must admit. And it can take you literally, it can take you a couple months to really sort of hone in and master this platform. There's a lot of things you can click, a lot of areas and avenues you can go down. I'm going to try my best in this video to show you around, show you where you're going to want to focus most of your attention, and basically, where you're going to want to go. So this is your main dashboard. It shows you your orders. It updates Amazon's little news feed here, just gives you random news. Here's where your payments display. This is an Amazon selling coach. And again, I think you can collapse all these if you don't want to see it. Again, I don't need to see this, but it gives you some Amazon business recommendations, selling tools, all this. Here's the forums. Here's your performance. This is where you're going to actually see your buyer messages coming in. This is where you're going to see, if somebody were to email you, like a customer, this is where it's going to come in. This is where you're going to answer those messages. You can check on your account health. You can check on your customer feedback. This is customer feedback right here. These are not product reviews. Come over here, we can see our case log. This is if you were to open up a support ticket with Amazon, where you could view your support tickets. Sales summary, so it gives you your sales for today, the last 7 days, 15 and 30. And if you want a deeper look into that, you can click this to view more of your statistics. This is just some sort of inventory planning where they make inventory recommendations. And this is just a bunch of not really useful stuff. So now that we have the dashboard sort of ironed out, I'm just going to go from left to right and try to cover as much as I can. So catalog, add products is pretty simple. This is where you could go to add a new product listing, okay? This is going to be the tab that you're probably going to be visiting the most, inventory, especially manage inventory. This is where you're going to be able to see all of your products and all the inventory that you have in stock, available. You can see your FBA fee previews. You can see what your prices are. You can see what your sales rank is, your SKU. Is your product fulfilled by Amazon or by you? And you can see the UPC number associated with your product. So again, up here where it says preferences, 8 columns hidden, you can click this button and literally maneuver and manage these settings as much as you want. So if you want more things to show here, you can click here and adjust it. If you want less, you can adjust that as well. Your choice. So inventory, manage inventory is huge. This is also where, if you look at my mouse, you can edit your product listings. So again, vital info, this is your product title. You can edit it. You can edit the manufacturer. This is something that you don't want to edit. And your brand, sizing, variations, your offer. This is where you can edit your price. Compliance. This is where you can edit your images. This is where you can edit your description and your bullet points. This is where you can edit your back-end search terms and any other details and more details here. You can edit these. So all of these things are editable at any time just simply by clicking the edit button. Now, if you notice, there's also 2 drop-down arrows right here. And we can manage images, add another condition, change to fulfilled by merchant, all this stuff, right? I'm not going to go into every single one, but many helpful things right there. Pricing, I don't really visit this tab at all. Orders, you can manage your orders in here. Advertising is certainly the second most visited area for me. Inventory and advertising are going to be where you're going to spend the majority of your time, where you can manage your sponsored ads campaigns here. You can run a lightning deal if you want. You can set up your coupons and promotions, okay? Storefront probably doesn't apply to most of you since you need to be brand registered in order to have a store. Reports are extremely important for keeping bookkeeping, and you can see exactly what you're bringing in, what you're spending in expenses, what Amazon fees are being taken out, all the things like that. All the things you're going to need to actually keep accurate control of your bookkeeping will be under reports. Performance, not really concerned about that. There's really nothing of use to look at in performance unless your account health is somehow really bad, but there's no reason why your account health should be bad, especially if you're an FBA seller. App Store, that's pretty new, and B2B. So you can set up a business profile for your products where businesses who specifically visit the Amazon platform via the Amazon business, platform. So there actually is an Amazon business. You can offer them special like bulk discounts on your items and things of that nature because businesses like to order things in bulk. Maybe your product is one of those products that is a popular business order. You can set things up in there. And that's that for this main dashboard here. What we need to cover next is up here in the top right. We have settings. We have our account info. We have shipping. We have return settings. We have tax settings. We have user permissions and things like that. So with user permissions, let me click on that. So this is where you can actually add other people to your Seller Central account. So if you have a friend, or if you have not a friend, but somebody who's going to help you manage your business, I should say, and you want to grant them access to your seller account so they can make adjustments and changes within your own seller account, then you can add them. Send them an invitation, they can accept it, and they can have access to your seller account. And by using this Manage Permissions button, once they are accepted and are under current users, you can manage their permissions. So you can grant them access to manage your ads, but not access to view your sales numbers or things of that nature. You can grant them access to your orders and not access to your inventory. So you have full control over which permissions the person would have. Down here, these are all of the integrations that I have in my account, aka softwares and tools. So remember in all the previous videos how much I've mentioned Helium 10? I mentioned PPC Entourage right here. These are the software. This is how the software is actually integrate into your own seller account and pull the data from your account. And don't worry, whenever you sign up for these tools, they give you detailed instructions on how to do it. And oftentimes it only takes 1 or 2 clicks of the mouse from you. They do all the heavy lifting and you get integrated. So no stress there. If we go back to settings, we have tax settings. This is important. I'm going to cover taxes in one of the bonus videos. So it's something that you definitely want to see there. Shipping settings, I'll cover that as well. Again, shipping settings are not that important for us if we are doing FBA. So our products, I assume your products are going to be shipped into Amazon's own warehouses, meaning your products are going to be Amazon Prime eligible. So we don't have to mess with shipping settings. By default, the shipping settings should be set okay as they are. Gift options, I don't really mess with gift options. Return settings, let's check that out. So I want Amazon to automatically authorize and provide a prepaid shipping label. And yeah, check off any of these settings you want. Okay, and we'll just go up to account info here. And this is where you're going to see your account info, such as your seller name, your profile, what type of seller account you have, whether it's professional or the starter. Are you registered in Amazon Business? Are you doing fulfillment by Amazon? This is where your payment information is, such as your bank account, your business name, has your shipping and returns information, your display name. All the kind of boring businessy stuff will be in your account info. So that's kind of a quick old rundown of Seller Central. In the bonus section of this course, I'm going to go in depth to some of the specifics, such as taxes and some other things. So please watch those as they are incredibly useful. See you there. What's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to talk about brand registry and how you can go about doing it. So first things first, what is brand registry? Well, you can actually register your brand with Amazon. And what that allows you to do, well, it unlocks several features, but one of the top features of brand registry, number one, is that Amazon will allow you to, if I scroll down this page on this guy's product, you remember when we did the product description in one of the earlier videos when you didn't have access to any of these nice images or logos or custom product descriptions with these types of graphs and infographics, all that kind of stuff. That is because you are not brand registered, and you won't be brand registered right off the bat unless you actually have a legal registered trademark. So in order to get brand registered, you need to have a trademark for your brand, And what you then do is you simply fill out simple application right here, enhanced brand content. That's what this is called right here, enhanced brand content. And this is the button you can click to register your brand. You're just going to need to fill out a few things, a few pieces of information. You will need your actual legal trademark number. You'll actually need verification from the person who filed the trademark for you. And yeah, that's that. So if you get that done, you then get access to enhanced brand content. You also get access to headline search ads. What exactly are those? Well, let me show you. I think I showed you in a prior video, but I'll refresh your memory here real quick. Face cream. So this top banner advertisement here is a headline search ad. It allows you to advertise your whole store. It allows you to advertise 3 products. So you basically pick 3 products. And yeah, it's just, I mean, headline search ads are amazing, as you would probably imagine. You know, you're at the top, very top of the search results, right in front of everyone's eyes. And so yeah, you know, there's other benefits of being brand registered. So you can create custom storefronts. You can almost have your own little website, essentially, that is on Amazon. You know, not extremely important, but still cool nonetheless. It gives you a little bit of extra branding authority. But the 2 main benefits are enhanced brand content, aka the juiced up product description, and these headline search ads. So sooner than later, once you have a winning product or 2 and you want to actually expand that brand, I suggest you file for a legal trademark. And after the trademark is legally registered with the US government, which, you know, unfortunately can take quite a while, months, 6 months or so, you will then apply for brand registry, and you should have no problem getting approved after that. So just wanted to make a quick video on that. So hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next one.